Yo, hello everyone. How are you doing? Welcome back to a new video of mine. Thank you that you're watching these videos. And today we're playing Rivals. And today how can I 1v2? How do I 1v2? I want to 1v2 someone. How do I 1v2 someone? Let's see the weapons. Yeah. F30. Can I buy something like good? What's this? Crossbow. 35. Gunblade. I want a shotgun. 20. A Lorca. Well, please. Let it be the one that I think it is. Yes, let's go. Let's upgrade it. Bro, let's upgrade. Upgrade. Let's go, shotgun. Yo, let's go, legend. Okay, let's see. I have to win a 1v2. Let's go. We want a shotgun. Why am I so happy? Nah, you're a computer player. Go shoot someone else. Okay, someone join us. Okay, I have shotgun, so everything's going to be good. So don't be afraid, guy. I'll have you. Don't be scared. So, nah, bro. What was that? Yeah, I was sorry. But bro, why is he? Oh my gosh, this dumbass. Okay, let's join him then. One, go, bro. I can't wait to use my shotgun. Oh, no, this. 50, please. Oh my gosh, backrooms, I hate it. Shotgun. Shotgun, you're going down, bro. Bro is going down. Where's this guy at? Shouldn't be the back room. Yellow is set up. Where's this guy at? I don't see this guy anywhere. Oh my gosh. We're going to win. Hey, let's go. That's why I love the shotgun, bro. Look at how much damage it do. Oh my gosh. No way. Bro, we are winning this. We're going to win this. At least I have to win this. There's no way I'm losing. Where's this guy at? Oh my gosh. Hey, loser. Get down. Hey. Loser gets down so easy. Shotgun, bro. I have the shotgun. Bro thinks he can get me with a chainsaw. Hey. Oh my gosh. Nah, bro. Oh my gosh. How much does that chainsaw cost? Get down. Little bud. Buddy, get down, buddy. Buddy, get down. Bro thinks he can kill me. Bro is Still dreaming. Okay. Hey. Oh my gosh, please. Let me die. Oh my gosh. And I'm dead. We need to win. Bro, we need to win. Hey. Where did this guy came from? Oh my gosh. Yo. Have mercy. Sorry that I didn't have mercy on you. Get out. No, my god. And I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Hey. Let's switch. Please have mercy, bro. Have mercy. Oh my, what? I already has 4, bro. Bro, I can't lose. No way I'm going to lose this. Please don't let me lose. I gotta win. I'm using my shoulder like so many times, and then I'm gonna switch my gun. Right? No. I don't think so. I don't see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. No! Bro, he was so low. Oh my gosh, he was so low. Oh my gosh, he was so low. He was so low, guys. He was so freaking low. Okay. What's this? Now what is this? Okay, let's go to my task. To the well. Oh, this is the well area. What do I have? What is this? Is this snow well? Haha. Get down. Oh, what's this? No, yes, this guy. This guy has a... Let's do arena. Please be arena. Oh, what's that? Graveyard? Shotgun. Gun, fist. It's 2v1. I can't lose. Sorry guys, I had to lose. Hey, already was. But I got down so easy. Why do you only have 150 HP? Oh my gosh, where is this guy? Hey, let's go. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my god. Where's this guy at? Yeah, we won. No, he's still here. Weapon contract. You for junkie. Thank you. Where's this guy at, bro? Oh, I want to kill him. Hey, bro, I want to kill him. Match point. He doesn't even have any. This guy is a loser. Why is it so gray? Am I blind or is it gray? Where's this guy at? And we won. Okay guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, drop like, subscribe, and by the next one. Peace.